Now we want to make a side-by-side split effect. That is the vertical split effect. So what do? We take this clip here, the best man clip here, and place it on top of this one. Now we have the two clip overlapping each other. Remember that when you hit this here, toggle this track output here, when you toggle this off, it reveals this under, and when you toggle it on, it reveals back the video here. The same thing goes for this. If you toggle this off, the video here won't be showing. So make sure this is always toggled on. So now we're going to move, this is the clip, and we want to make a split for the both videos to be showing on our screen. So how do we do that? I mean, how I do mine to achieve that, I select the clip that is on top here and move it a bit to the right. That's it. Then I toggle this on to reveal the one under, and then move it a little bit to the left. When you on that back, you're going to have this, but this is overlapping. So we're going to we'll go to effects panel and then search for crop effects and drop crop effect on. You drag and drop it on both clips here. Yeah. Now you go to effects control and then you do a crop on the right. Yes, the right part of the clip. You're going to do a crop. You're going to crop that in. This is it. Okay, so now you go to the clip under two, go to effects control, and this time around you might want to toggle the one on top, toggle it off so that you see very well what you want to do. So now you're going to also crop, go to your crop effects, and that's for the clip under. You're going to crop it on the left. Yes, something like this on this one back so that you'll be seen. So the goal is you're going to leave a small line, a little black line in between them to show the split. So let's say 38. You also do, let's say 25 for this. Let's use 39. So you see we have, that's if you want to leave a little kind of a black line or a kind of a space between the two clips. So this is beautiful split effects showing your two cameras, showing your two shots happening at once. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Now we move on to the next one, which is the vertical split effect. So what do? Using the same clip, we're going to highlight the both clips and say remove attributes. When you remove attributes, everything that you've added to the videos will go, right? That's a way of removing every effect, every cut, every crop on the videos. Now we've gone back to our original videos, one line on top of the other. So how do you make a horizontal split? Very simple. Go to motion in effects control, and then you're gonna do this. You're gonna move this clip down. Wow, very sorry, we are making that adjustment to the clip under. That's why you're not seeing anything. So this, you're gonna move this down. down. Then for the one under, you're going to move it up. You see that? So we're going to also apply the crop effect so that we make some adjustments to the top. Now to the top, we're going to reduce this down. You see that? Then we might also want to move it a bit up. Then for these two, we might also want to add crop, and then we're going to crop from the bottom till we have a little space between the two clips. Now check it out. See that? That's a wonderful split effects showing board clips, and wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I love this one. This is wonderful, and this is beautiful. That's the second one. And then very first one, now we want to do the diagonal effects. Yes. So how do we do that? On the clip on top here, we are going to make some adjustments. I'm going to zoom this in, take it to the left, bring it down. And why am I doing this? I'm doing this so that it will create enough space for me to be able to create enough space for me to be able to make a chord, diagonal chord somewhere here, so that I can now make the other video to appear around this place. So let's look at let's see how we're going to do that. So in this particular instance, we're going to use the free draw bezier tool, this particular tool here. Yes, some of us know it in Photoshop as pen tool, but here it does something similar to what they use it for in Photoshop. So we're going to use this tool to kind of mask these two clips, yes, so that the other one behind will be showing. So we're going to do reducing the max fader to 0. Then I'm going to crop from here. What I do normally, I reduce this to 10%. Then I'm going to make a cut. I'm going to create a path for the mask, which is this. Okay, now I'm supposed to go this way, not the other way around. See, once I do that, you see that the other video has shown up. Now what I do is I'm also going to zoom in a bit of the other video and move it to the left. Then I'm also going to use the free bezier tool to create some masks too on that one, and this is we're creating a relatively something similar, but it has to be different. Or you see that? So now we have a split effect. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. This is beautiful. Split effects. Very beautiful and very simple to achieve. So that is the diagonal split effect. You can be creative, you can add, you can tweak it around the way you want. So if you have learned anything from this video, please make sure you leave a like and you also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this to come your way in the future. Thank you and God bless.